English with Meseret. In this video we are learning how to ask and answer questions about the weather in English. Are you ready? Let's begin. You can use these simple questions to ask about weather. What is the weather like today? How is the weather? Is it hot or cold? Is it cloudy? Is it sunny? These are simple questions we used to ask the overall weather in English. Next, we have some phrases that help us to ask about rainy weather. You can ask, is it raining now? Or you can say, do I need an umbrella? Or it's possible to say, will it rain today? Then you can use these expressions to ask about cold weather. Even though it is cold in Ethiopia now because of the rain, so if you can say to your friend this, is it cold outside? Or should I wear a jacket? Or possible to say, what is the temperature? Use these expressions in a hot weather. Is it hot today? Do I need sunscreen? Can we go outside? These are the possible expressions for asking about hot weather. You can use this expression to ask about weather forecast, or what we call it meteorology. What is the temperature today? What is the weather forecast for tomorrow? Or possible to say, is it raining today later? Or is it going to rain later? Or possible to say, will it be sunny this afternoon? So these are a possible way of asking about weather forecast or about weather meteorology. These are casual conversation starter. What do you mean by casual conversation starter? It is informal way of asking about weather. Nice weather, isn't it? Isn't it a beautiful day? Or you can say, the weather is crazy today, right? Or it's possible to say, what is the weather like where you are? This is the conversation that we use with our friends, or informal way of asking about weather. So thank you for now, and I will be back with the response of these weather expressions in the next video. If you like this video, please subscribe and share this one, and I will be back to part 2 with another video.